To do eBay local pickup, start by searching for items on eBay that offer this option. Look for the local pickup filter on the left side of the search results page and select it to view only items that can be picked up in person. You can also check the item description or shipping details to see if local pickup is available. Once you find an item that offers local pickup, read the description carefully to understand the seller's pickup policies, including their location, available pickup times, and any other requirements. Make sure you understand the terms before placing a bid or making a purchase. When you are ready to purchase an item with local pickup, follow the normal checkout process. After you have paid for the item, the seller will send you a message with pickup instructions, including their address and available pickup times. Respond to the seller to confirm the pickup details and arrange a time that works for both parties. Before picking up the item, make sure to bring a copy of the eBay receipt and a form of identification to verify your identity. This is a security measure to ensure that the item is picked up by the correct person. When you arrive at the pickup location, inspect the item carefully to ensure it is in the condition described by the seller. If there are any issues with the item, notify the seller immediately and try to resolve the problem. If you are unable to come to an agreement, you can open a case with eBay to help resolve the issue. After picking up the item, leave feedback for the seller to help other buyers know what to expect. To ensure a smooth local pickup experience, communicate clearly with the seller, be respectful of their time and property, and follow eBay's guidelines and policies. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully complete a local pickup on eBay and enjoy a convenient and cost-effective way to purchase items from sellers in your area.